In today's digital world, technology is part of everyday life, but with more time online comes more ways you can fall victim to cyber threats.
That's why many families are turning to Webroot, a trusted name in cybersecurity to help keep their devices, personal information, and loved ones safe. For the Washington family, that protection has become an everyday essential.
When I first discovered Webroot, it was because I lent my laptop to my brother. The next time that I went to work on my laptop, it completely crashed and I had no idea what to do with it. I took it to a place where they, fix computers, and the guy there was unable to recover anything on my computer. And he recommended that I get some kind of security on my computer, and he recommended Webroot.
Webroot's mission statement is to secure the digital life of all of our customers in a easy to use, simple way. And so we want to make sure that cybersecurity protection is not only accessible, but easy for the end user who doesn't have to be tech savvy and doesn't need to understand how cybersecurity works in order to use our product.
Webroot has been an extremely good fit for my family because of the fact that we have not had to think about it at all. Because of the security that it provided. You don't think about it. When you have that peace of mind, knowing that something's taken care of, you kind of can check it off the list of things that you're, concerned about or worried about every day.
Cybersecurity is so important because we're online more than ever before. And cyber threats and cyber criminals are smarter than ever before. They have these tools like AI that allows them to get code what might have taken them weeks or months before. Now they have it in a matter of seconds. We offer antivirus, and we offer identity theft protection, as well as unlimited backup for your devices. And then also we have VPN for privacy. So whether you're traveling and connecting to public Wi-Fi, you're always protected.
We have moved quite a bit. We've gone from Virginia to Florida, Chicago, South Korea, Guam. And so we've moved around, and everywhere we moved, Webroot has been with us for the last 15 years. So it's traveled with us wherever we went.
Well, I've had Webroot now since 2010, so I've had it for 15 years. And because of the reliability and the peace of mind, I'd be crazy to change it now.
Cybersecurity shouldn't be intimidating, and that you shouldn't feel like you're alone. I think it's amazing that Lamora shared her experience with her dad and was able to bring him in. I've worked in the industry for 10 years. I'm not going to try to act like I know what next threat's going to happen, because threats are always evolving. But the good thing is there are simple solutions like Webroot, and you know that you're protected, so you don't have to worry about it being part of your everyday. You can enjoy that time with your family and enjoy that time watching your kids grow up and traveling, and know that cybersecurity like Webroot is working in the background protecting you. And if there is an issue, you'll get alerts so that you can reach out for help.
If you want the peace of mind of not having to worry about getting stuff on your computer like viruses or anything like that, Webroot is proven in my experience to be the best at doing so. There really isn't a better one. I've tried the others and they just didn't measure up. I think it's awesome knowing that I'm the one who brought Webroot into the family, especially since it's provided this security for everybody, because I wasn't tech savvy. I mean, I knew a little bit more than mom and dad, but not very much more. And so to have the pride of knowing that I was catalyst in this whole thing, and now being 15 years, it's kind of cool. I'm like, yeah, I did that. I know stuff.
For James and his family, the right protection simply means more peace of mind and more moments together. With Webroot, they know their devices, their data, and their loved ones are safe online. To learn more about protecting your family online, visit webroot.com or go to designingspaces.tv.